Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best mattress cleaner machines that are dominating the market in 2025. Whether you're battling pet hair, allergens, or deep-set stains, I've got you covered with detailed reviews to help you make the best choice. And as always, you can find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Gizx Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. This machine is packed with features designed to make deep cleaning your mattress or upholstery a breeze. With a powerful 16 kPa suction, 500-watt motor, and 30,000 RPM vibration, it can shake out particles from deep within your mattress fibers. The 253.7 nanometers UVC light and ultrasonic technology work together to eliminate 99.99% of invisible particles, which is great for those dealing with allergens. Plus, the 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot air feature helps to dry and sanitize your mattress, mimicking the sun's natural effects. The design is sleek and modern, with a bluish-purple color and a widened 8.7-inch suction port for faster cleaning. It even has a green light dust display system to show you where dirt is most concentrated, making sure you're never cleaning blindly. However, at a noise level of 75 dB, it's not the quietest option out there. The dual cup filtration system is easy to disassemble and clean, and the 16.4 feet cord allows for flexibility when moving around the house. While the Gizx mattress is feature-rich, its lack of a listed price and relatively low customer review count, 79 ratings, may make some hesitant. However, if you're looking for a machine with advanced technology and excellent cleaning capabilities, this is a solid choice. Pros include its powerful suction, UVC light, and ultrasonic tech, but cons include its louder operation and limited brand recognition. At number 4, we have the CFBF Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. This machine offers 16 kPa of suction power, combined with high-frequency vibration, making it highly effective at pulling up dirt, dust, and allergens from deep within your mattress. The addition of a 253.7 nanometer UVC light and ultrasonic technology ensures that it removes 99.99% of allergens while sanitizing your surfaces. One standout feature is its ability to generate 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot air, which not only sanitizes, but also removes moisture to keep your mattress fresh and dry. The CFBF features a dual cup filtration system with HEPA filters, ensuring that even the tiniest particles are captured. It's lightweight and portable, and the 16.4 feet cord gives you plenty of range. The design is compact, but it's packed with thoughtful features like LED green light dust display technology, which highlights hidden dust for a more thorough clean. However, the machine is equipped with an auto stop feature to prevent overheating, so you'll need to clean the filters and brushes regularly to avoid interruptions. The CFBF excels in performance, but it's worth noting that it's not suitable for all fabrics, such as long velvet carpets or silk. For those looking for an affordable yet powerful solution to allergens and dust, the CFBF is ideal. Pros include its strong suction, heating feature, and intuitive dust display, while cons include its limited fabric compatibility and potential downtime due to overheating protection. At number 3, we have the JPY Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. This device offers exceptional cleaning power with its 16 kPa suction, 500-watt motor, and innovative dual roller brush system. The 10-inch dual suction ports make it one of the more efficient cleaners on this list, allowing you to clean larger areas in less time. The JPY also boasts quintuple cleaning technology, including UVC light, ultrasonic interference, hot air dehumidification, and high-speed vibration, which collectively eliminate 99.9% of allergens and dust mites. In terms of design, the JPY is lightweight at just under 6 pounds and has a sleek cyan finish. It's user-friendly with a one-button operation and a long 16.5 feet cord for extended reach. The snap-lock design for its dust cup and roller brush makes cleaning and maintenance hassle-free. Additionally, the 5-stage filtration system ensures clean air output. making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. While the JPY offers impressive cleaning capabilities, it does come with a higher price point compared to similar products from lesser-known brands. Nonetheless, its durability and advanced tech features make it a worthwhile investment. Pros include its wide suction port, advanced filtration, and powerful cleaning technologies, while cons include its slightly bulkier size and potentially higher price. Coming in at number 2 is the Shark StainStriker Portable Cleaner. This premium option is a versatile powerhouse for cleaning carpets, upholstery, and even car interiors. With its dual-activated formula and ultra-powerful suction, it's capable of removing even the toughest spots and stains. It's designed for pet owners, as it effectively eliminates odors like pet urine and smoke, leaving your home smelling fresh. The Shark StainStriker comes with 4 cleaning tools, including an XL tool for larger areas and a pet mess extractor. It's lightweight at just under 9 pounds, making it easy to carry around your home. The bonus cleaning solutions included in the package add value, and the machine's compact design allows for easy storage. The 2-liter capacity is larger than most on this list, reducing the frequency of refills during cleaning sessions. While the Shark StainStriker is the most expensive option at $118, its performance and included accessories make it a great value for those who want a premium experience. Pros include its exceptional suction power, versatility for multiple surfaces, and odor-eliminating capabilities. Cons include its higher price tag and slightly heavier weight compared to other cleaners on this list. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This budget-friendly option delivers incredible performance without breaking the bank. At just $84.99, it's the most affordable on our list. But don't let the price fool you. It's packed with features. The Bissell Little Green is perfect for tackling pet stains, spills, and allergens. Its Hydro-Rinse self-cleaning hose tool and 4-inch tough stain tool make cleaning a breeze, whether you're working on upholstery, car interiors, or pet beds. Weighing only 7 pounds, the Little Green is compact and easy to store, making it great for small spaces. Its 16-ounce capacity is suitable for quick cleanups, and the included 8-ounce cleaning formula ensures you're ready to go right out of the box. The fact that every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation is an added bonus for animal lovers. While it may not have as many bells and whistles as some of the other options, the Bissell Little Green offers unbeatable value for its price. Pros include its lightweight design, affordability, and pet-friendly features, while cons include its smaller capacity and less advanced technology compared to higher-end models. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those on a budget who still want reliable performance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect mattress cleaner for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. As always, you can find links to all the products in the description below. See you in the next one.